Boom, finally getting some good footage over here at one of the two shotgun style home duplexes I have a showing right now. But finally getting some good footage of it. Very nice shotgun style home, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, central AC, completely done, redone. And what we do with these smaller homes like this is that we price this like a 1 bedroom, and then we get a 1 bedroom voucher in here. Usually a 1 bedroom voucher is 1 woman and a child. So these things go quick. We've already got an application. But yeah, shotgun style home, you know, not very big, maybe about 800 square feet, but very, very traditional for the area. And looking smooth, looking clean. I love it.